Muri Zimbabwe tadzoka zvekare nedzimwe nhau dziri kuitika zvinhu zviri kutora nzvimbo iko zvino apa patiri kunzwa kuti vanhu vezeki vaunganidzwa nemaCIO kunze vagadzirire kana kuti kuvapiwe training yekuti vazoenda kunokwanisa kunoita zvinhu zviri kuda kuitwa mareferendum ari kuda kuitwa kumeeting yavo kana kuti conference yavari kuda kuita kwaMutare. Iko zvino ndo situation iripo paZimbabwe, ende ipapo tiri kutambira zvekare imwe nyaya iripo yekuti zvoni vaanzale musanyatwe vari kutarisirwa kuti zvoni vari kuzosiyiswa basa vachireplacedwa neuyo muchinda anoitwa Temba Muliswa. Ipapo zvekare ndipo patiri kunzwa kuti zvoni avo vaValerius Banda vari kunze vari too professional pane zvinhu zviri kurongwa kuti zvide kuitwa, saka vanonzi vari kutarisira kuti vazenge vachidzingwa basa kana kuti vachiresigniswa basa muna October imomo matakatarisana namo. Ende tiri kuonawo zvekare vanhu vakasiyana siyana maSecretary General avo vari kunzi zvoni vari kumiswa zvekare mabasa vachichinjurudzwa panga pana vaObert Mpofu vari kuchinjaniswa pachiiswa vaJacob Mutenda. Zvinhu zviri kuitika iko zvino paZimbabwe. Situation idzodzo hatizivewo kuti ndekupi kwanangwa kana kuti zvimwe zviri kuda kunyatsorongeka kuitika, asi nyaya hombe iri ipapapa pari kunzi zvinhu zvese izvi zviri kunzi pari kuda kuti batwe kana kuti paremadzwe retired general Chiwenga politically. Pari kunzi mune zvematongerwo enyika ndipo pari kunzi vari kubviswa mapapiro makumbo zvingava masahwira ndo vari kudzingwa mabasa, ivo vari kufanira kungosara vari vega, munhu one akazvimirira asina kana chekunongedzera kana kuti asina kana pekutangira kuitira kuti plani yavo kana kuti urongwa hwavari kuronga hwekuti 2030 ibudirire. Ende vari kudedzera kuti it's either 2030 kana kuti poiswa successor, iye ari kunzi successor wacho Tagwirei. Ndidzo hondo dziri kurwiwa iko zvino ndidzo nyaya dziri kutenderera paZimbabwe. Saka tangoti tingopfura nepanapa panyaya version tichizivisana nemi zvinhu zviri kuitika kuitira kuti imi mugare makazivawo, ende hatisi kuda kupedza nguva ba takutosiya makateerera zvimwe zviri kutaurwawo pamaaudios nevanhu vari kukomenda on nyaya dzimwe dzematongerwo enyika dziri kuitika kuZimbabwe pari zvino.
Kuchirira kumira kwomunhu kuti he stand up to kill Zimbabwean country and Zimbabwean economy. Then you clap your hands. Just wait and you hear his speech. Don't clap your hands. Don't raise your voice to those people, because they have empty promises on their mouth. That is our real, very big mistake as a Zimbabwean people. You don't have to raise your voice and to clap your hands because somebody, you stand up. Okay. To be stand up doesn't mean about he can build of Zimbabwe. How long they stand up and you Zimbabwe and you clap your hands and you get some speeches to build Zimbabwe, but they never did it. They never did it. However, those ones, they are happy and they are nice. They are living nice. They are friends and families of the criminality to steal the resources and public funds and to support integrity and legacy of their criminality for their pockets. Look at those people. For quite a long, they have voted for ZANU-PF. What are they have? What did you done? What did you do for them? They are old. From the young until the where are they in their age? There was do same mistake what you did as a young people. to clap your hands for shit. You clap your hands for somebody. You have a dignity and integrity and legacy to kill your economy, your grandmother. You still keep and suffer and hunger and anger and poor because of them. Because you clap your hands. You clap your hands for nonsense. Open your mind. I used to say, where you are, where you live, where you work, where you move, check what you can do for the living. For yourself, don't wait in this shit. What do you clap your hands for them? They are never, ever rising to be president, vice president, minister, agriculture, and whatever, and so on, to stand up for you guys. They are never do that. That one is a big error, it's a big mistake. They are not do that. They cannot do that. That one I can guarantee you. And I warning you. Look where the governance people what we have it now in ZANU-PF from 2018 until today. What are they did? You are keep and cry, keep and shouting, keep and fighting, but they are not listening. They are asking, they are told themselves, I want to finish the job. Which job are you finished? I used to say, is it your field? You can say, I want to finish something on my field. After that, I can come to your meeting. Zimbabwe is not your field. Zimbabwe is a country for the Zimbabweans. Use your brilliant mind to think. Kana ukatotenga mota ikatoona munhu anoida, iwe waitenga kana une 300,000 kana kuti ne 22,000 ukaitengesa kana ne 55,000 US dollar. Tenda Mwari, that is a good idea. Go and buy another one. 2 of them. Then you have a change to support your family. The business is moving. If all those 2 cars will be sold by 55 or 45,000, by the end of the year, you can see how much are you generating, how much you have on your pocket. These motherfuckers, ZANU-PF, they don't think about you guys. They are thinking to rule Zimbabwe. They are thinking to rule Zimbabwe. They are thinking to intimidating the economy of Zimbabwe. That's why, if you can check from the day 1 after election 2023 until today, it's a fight. And that fight of ZANU-PF people, they are not started today. And you can go beyond of this story. Many people you did killed. Most of them there was ZANU-PF people. And they see the arrogance and the mismanagement of ZANU-PF official. They are starting to expose them. They are search them. They are adopted. They are killed them. You never ever do any mistake to play and support this nonsense. If you support ZANU-PF, tomorrow I enemy. Look at Chiwenga, it's an enemy of ZANU-PF. Because it was a CIO of ZANU-PF. He know everything what he talking about. He knows everything what he's talking about. Because he worked from after university, secondary, boarding high school, was learned, was going to attend the schools in the name of ZANU-PF. And he knows everything. ZANU-PF what he do. That's why they are angry and arrogant, and they are not disagree with Talent Chiwenga said. Some of the speech of Talent Chiwenga I agree, some of them I don't agree. Some of the story is a stupid story because it's one of the person was in ZANU-PF was not saying, you guys, the things what you do it here, it's wrong. Now you want to speak the reality. If you are out of ZANU-PF, they don't listen to you, and they don't care, and they don't mind.